Is the New Zealand dollar, the Kiwi, about to soar or is it set for a steep decline? Right now, NZD/USD is at a fascinating crossroads, with traders fiercely divided on its next move. Let's break down the technical picture and see what the charts are telling us. The overall market sentiment is incredibly mixed, creating a real battleground scenario right around the 0.60 level. On one side, we have the bulls. They're looking at the bigger picture, like the daily and 4-hour charts, and seeing an underlying uptrend. Their strategy is to watch for a pullback into a key support zone, specifically between 0.5980 and zero point 0.6. They see this area as a potential buying opportunity, anticipating that the price will bounce from here and continue its climb, potentially challenging recent highs around 0.61. But on the other side, the bears are circling. They're pointing to recent fundamental news, like potential trade tariffs, which could weigh heavily on the Kiwi. They see the recent failure to hold prices above 0.6050 as a sign of weakness. These sellers are looking for a decisive break below the current support at 0.60. If that happens, they are targeting lower levels, with some looking towards the 0.59 mark. One chart even points to a potential drop to around 0.5910. So, what are the key takeaways from all this? The entire price action is currently pivoting around the critical 0.60 level. This is the line in the sand. For potential buyers, a strong hold of support around 0.5980 is crucial. A bounce from this zone could be the signal they're waiting for to aim for upside targets near 0.6050 and beyond. For sellers, a clean break and close below 0.5980 would be a major bearish confirmation, opening the door for a move down towards zero point 0.5. In summary, NZD/USD is caught in a tug-of-war. The long-term trend appears bullish, but short-term momentum and fundamental factors are creating significant downside pressure. The direction for the coming days will likely be decided by whether buyers can defend the support at 0.0 or if sellers have enough power to finally break it. Keep a close eye on that level.